press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Blotchy patches, tanning and dark spots, also known as pigmentation, are one of the most common skin issues women deal with nowadays. Uneven skin tone can be difficult to manage and can be caused due to several reasons. Now I know what you're thinking. Makeup is a quick fix for this issue, right? But in today's episode of Homemade Beauty, I'm going to show you how to tackle these uneven tones to create a more balanced and healthier looking complexion. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. It makes your skin glow and prevents acne. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic. It kills bacteria, germs and other impurities from our skin. Gram flour or besan has a lot of fiber that prevents pimples and helps you get rid of any unwanted facial hair and moisturizes your skin. Curd is full of good bacteria, protein, calcium and vitamin D. It helps in improving your complexion and naturally moisturizes your skin. Keep the face mask for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it with lukewarm water. You can use this mask for up to 2 times every month. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.